Hey everybody, taking the drive down to go put some time in on the parts car today. I'm going to try to get some more of that trim from the door sills. Remember to bring the trim removal tools this time, so we'll have a little bit more success on that front. And probably going to spend some time cleaning out some of the crud from inside of the car and the trunk area, and just continue to try to pick away at getting an idea of what goes where, you know, when it comes time to do the assembly on our 66 project. So we're going to get a little stop at Summit along the way, because we got to get a new bolt for that Mustang for the Brembo calipers, where that banjo bolt that just decided to break rather than strip the caliper, which I'm thankful for. I'd rather see the bolt break. So thankfully someone's got them in stock. So we're going to get a new one, and once we get back tomorrow, we'll be able to tie off that install for the Mustang, at least as far as getting the lines done, and then all that's left after that is to get that booster to the master cylinder on. So should be a good, pretty easy day today, low key, and we're gonna get down there safe in one piece and go from there. Alright, so we're going to be putting a little bit of more work today, just kind of continuing to clean junk out of the inside of this car. You know, sort out if it's a trash part, dispose of it, get rid of it for now, and just continue picking away at the things that we think are valuable off of this car. Case in point, that headlight bezel. The one that's on my car is a little bit damaged right now, and this one's not damaged. So maybe if this one just needs a little bit of shining, then that's going to be, a win. Another good piece that we can save from this car that's gonna benefit us. So we're gonna get some work put in. He's got an assignment that he said, I want to start pulling trim off of it. So okay, brought my trim removal tools, and we're gonna just get to work. I ain't gonna lie, I think this thing would be fun. It's one of those like street legal NASCARs where you just body drop it onto an old tube chassis frame or something like that. I wouldn't even paint this thing. Just let it be the way it is, sitting just slammed on a set of 15 by 10 inch arrows, dumped on the ground, loud V8, boom tubes, the whole nine. Oh, boy can dream, right? So Dad's being modest and he doesn't want to be on camera, and I'm at least going to try and goad him into doing something. But all right, getting the engine bay kind of inspected, seeing what we got, and windshield wiper bottle. Look at this. This thing still has sudsy fluid in it, if you can believe that. And the last time I have evidence of this car being registered was 1986. And we still got a good amount of sudsy stuff in there. Maybe completely trashed, but got the bracket mounted up. So we're going to get that piece pulled off. And again, there's really not much going on with this car that's going to be desirable for us at the stage in the game. So we're going to toss that rusty GTO hood on here. I'm going to end up taking the original stock boring slick hood. Probably just toss that at the dump. And yeah, it'll at least look a little bit cooler in the meantime. So already got our headlight bezel removed. That's actually the driver's side bezel on the wrong side of the car. So it's going to get put over there. And yeah, just going to keep on rolling forward. Oh, what'd you get there? Our battery tray? No, that's our windshield wiper tray.
Windshield wiper tray.
No broken bolts on this one either. Man, we got lucky.
Yep, 3 bolts.
All right. Now the cleanup continues. Sometimes we're not going to get much out of the engine bay of this one.
No. Or the trunk.
So you see all this insulation batting that came out of the trunk mat, something that I don't think was original to the car. And this really was the structural foundation of the trunk. Would look fine with the ATI fuel cell in there, wouldn't it? You know, a cage and a safety cell. Say hi to the rear end. Hello. You want gloves?
No.
You sure?
No, I think I can handle it.
Opposite as before.
Ready?
There we go.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah, good enough.
Okay.
Thanks, sir.
Yes.
That'll look good once we get, you know, our actual project car, you know, with our actual 66 GTO hood on there. That'll work. Thank you.
You're welcome.